Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a stretch bracelet like I normally do. So just let's get started. But first, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. So first I'm going to cut the stretch wire like this long. Okay, I think it's long enough. Now I'm going to start by selecting the beads. So like first I'm going to take this yellow one out. Then I'm going to take 2 of these candies. Okay, I'm just taking these out too. Like this. And then I'm just gonna close it. So now I'm going to select the clay beads. So let's open this kit. So I'm going to be using this yellow one and this skin one in this bracelet. Okay, so I'll be adding these clay beads into this plate. So here I have the clay beads and the beads, and in this box I have some of my seed beads as dividers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.